Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here with me today. We're going to be making this look, which is a very natural looking look, and I wanted to mention that this is the first video out of a series of videos that I'm going to be making about natural makeup looks, the ones that you can wear every day, you know, like for going to work, going to the office, the doctor, or pick up the kids, you know, those type of looks. And I wanted to start with something really basic, which is this look today, and later on we're going to start, you know, moving on some more, working with the eyes a little more. So if you want to see how I did this look, please stay and watch. Thank you. I already applied my foundation and this is the one that I'm using. And as usual, I always like to mix it with this BB cream by L'Oreal so that it minimizes my pores. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it. Then I'm just gonna grab my sponge and I'm gonna wet it with some water and squeeze the water out. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending my concealer. Then I'm just going to wet my sponge a little bit, and I'm going to apply my powder with my sponge, and this is the powder that I use. Going to put it on my hand, and then I'm going to start setting up my concealer. And I like to put this powder wherever I apply the concealer because it has a yellow tint to it, so yellow, it highlights my skin tone. That's why I like to put it on top of my concealer so that that area is highlighted. Now I'm just going to grab my face powder and I'm going to put this powder wherever I didn't put my concealer on. So that will be here, here. And I do like to go over my T-zone, which is this one here, because that part of my face tends to be a little greasy, so I like to apply a little extra powder to avoid that, to be shining and looking greasy after a few hours. I do suggest, since this look is so simple, to use a little stronger color of bronzer, so it will give a little more of a contrast, and having that contrast will make your face look a little more playful. Now I do want to mention something. I have a little zip right there. I don't know if you can see it so well. It doesn't show all that much, maybe, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. It doesn't really bother me all that much. And I'm going to apply this nice pink color, and it also has a little like a little sparkle in it. You can use either a pink blush or a peach color blush. The difference is that if you use the pink color, it's going to look, the final look is gonna be more playful, more youthful, versus if you use the peach tone, it's going to be more serious look. Both colors are going to be pretty actually, but I think there is a little difference between them. So me, since this is such a natural look, I want something more colorful and more playful, and that's why I'm choosing the pink. I'm going to apply my highlighter, and the highlighter color that I'm using is actually an eyeshadow that has a satin finish, and it's very subtle when you put it on your skin. And that's what I want for this look, something that will highlight but will be very subtle. And I'm going to apply my highlighter, but this time I'm going to apply it on my eyes. So I'm gonna switch for another brush, which is round looking like this one, but see how much smaller this one is. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right there. Make sure that you did powder your eyelid That's very important for this look. I got the camera closer so that you can see better what I'm doing on the eye. I'm going to place the highlighter there, and then I'm going to try to bring it in and blend it. I'm gonna go up there, try to blend it all. Then I'm going to put more of the highlighter right here in the middle and try to blend it in. And then I'm gonna pick up more of the highlighter and I'm going to put it right here. And I'm just gonna place it. I'm not going to blend it in. I'm just going to pat it on the same spot and just leave it like that. And I'm not going to blend it in. Why? First of all, because this is a very subtle highlighter, so it already blends in with my skin pretty well. And two, if I blend it in, it's going to disappear and I don't want that. I want it to be a little noticeable, because when that is there, it's going to bring light to that part of my eye, and that is going to give me the illusion that my eyes look bigger. You could say, but me patting it many times on the same spot, that's kind of blending, and it is a little blending, but very little blending. Now I'm just going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use a brush like this, and I'm gonna comb my eyebrows. Then I'm going to use a powder, and I'm going to apply it on the areas where I don't have enough hair. I'm lining only the half outer part of my eye, because I'm going to be putting eyelashes that are not full eyelashes. By full eyelashes, I mean eyelashes that start from the very beginning all the way to the end of the eye. No, I'm going to be putting the ones that start from the half and then to the end. And I want them not to be noticeable when I glue them on my eye, so that's why I'm putting the liner in there so that they hide. And I'm making this little cat eyeliner just to extend my eye this way, so it will look bigger, you know, this way, which in the long run will make my face look a little thinner. And they sell those eyelashes that are already cut, that are already half lashes, but me, I like to make my own. And what I do is I get the full lash and then I cut it in half. I already cut those eyelashes. See how here in the inner corner the eyelashes start being short, and then as they go all the way to the end they are longer. Me, I like to cut it in half, but not exactly in the middle. I like to go a little more than the middle, and this is the side that I use, because this way the short hair will blend in very nicely with my natural eyelashes. See, because my natural eyelashes are not super long, you know, they're little, so by starting with the false lashes that have little hair, they are gonna match the little hair on my natural eyelashes and then grow longer, and it will look very nice. And when I apply my mascara, I'm going to make sure to apply most of my mascara here in the inner corner, because I want to make sure that those ones look nice and long so that everything matches. One more thing, I noticed that many people, when they apply the mascara, they go like this, they wrinkle their forehead. Don't do that, because that's you don't want to create wrinkles, you know, by making expressions on your face. No, I do recommend to tip your head over like if you were looking to the sky, and then put the mirror right in front of you. That's another thing too. Don't apply your mascara like this, go and sweep it up. No, don't do that. Your mascara, the best way to do it so that it really enhances your natural eyelashes is by start on the very base of the eyelashes and sweep back and forth until you get to the very end of the eyelash. And I'm going to apply mascara on my lower eyelashes, but not on the whole eyelashes, no, just on the ones that are on the other corner. Why? Because I want to make my eye look bigger this way, So if I put it in the whole eye, I'm going to make it bigger this way, and I don't want that. Okay, this is the final look. I hope that you like it. It's very simple to make and very natural looking. See, it doesn't look like you had a lot of makeup on at all. It just looks like you, I don't know, glamour yourself a little bit. You know, it just enhances your features very nicely. So I really like that. And because it's so simple to make, it's fast. So that's a big plus in my opinion, that you know how to do, or you can do a look that doesn't take too much time, you know, because sometimes we get so busy with this and that you don't really have much time to do other things. So having something quick and easy to make and look pretty, that's a big plus. So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe and comment. Let me know what do you think. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.